Stuck in ambition and I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I'ma jump right up in it, yeah. Geronimo, yeah, Geronimo. Boy, like my God's in control, and I don't gotta fold my forehead in triplets. Let's just walk by faith and watch the promise come forth, because he meant it. I'm losing count of mistakes, I'm losing track of the wrongs. To come up is crazy, letting it go is a grace. I put my heart in.
What I see was right in front of me, but I choose to call you. Yeah, I know you see me through. On the good days and the bad days, I choose to call on Yahweh. On the good days and the bad days, I choose to call on Yahweh. On the good days, bad days, you're still Yahweh. You're still Yahweh. You're still Yahweh. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're still Yahweh.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay, I'll stay, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven, never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay, I'll stay, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven, never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between.
That's okay, Nadine. He's just talking to you. Why? Why? So West and KJ got into a scuffle last Friday at soccer.
Then what happened?
They both was crying the whole when we left.
Why?
They got attacked by a girl.
Attack? What you mean?
He got punched in the face. West got scratched in the face.
Why?
I don't know. I have no idea. All I know was we was doing the thing with the rainbow colored tent. And you know how the kids run underneath? When everybody's holding it up? And when I come back down, they ran under. When I came back up, they was tussling. I was like, what happened? So I'm trying to pull Wes apart from the girl. She got both hands free and she scratched his face. Wes said he was trying to defend KJ because she punched KJ. Oh, like, why would you tell me that? You know, there's special needs, right?
Yeah, but like, why would you ever
The
tell
girl
me that?
can't talk.
Like, I don't care. Like,
I think what happened, this is what I think what happened. Because I remember the girl laying on the ground under the tent. I think one of them, either him or Wes, stepped on her.
I don't care. Please, if that ever happens again, don't tell me. You make want to come in there and beat up some of them kids.
So you gonna beat up a special needs kid?
They hit my little bro. I don't care if
They can't talk.
I don't care if they special needs. I don't care what they are. They put their hands on my boy. I'm like, it's just that simple.
So I told KJ, I said, do you know they was crying? Wes was crying.
If you said it, we a man of your word. If you said it, we everybody rock like. If you said it, we everybody rock like. Hold up. If you said believe it. 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 You said if you said it, we a man of your word. If you said it, we everybody rock like. If you said it, we everybody rock like.
tried. It's a lot later than when we started the vlog today. It's about 6 o'clock. We're driving the kids to soccer. We had a semi-productive day. I got some schoolwork done, and I also pulled the weeds out of my garden with his help. And then I took a little short nap, so feeling better, feeling refreshed, and headed to soccer. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And after soccer, the kids are asking for Mickey D's, so we're probably gonna stop there. All right, see y'all a bit later. Bye. Come on, guys.
The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want, don't want you, and who you miss, don't miss you. You know. Your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus.
I love
We
you.
all need Jesus.
I love you,
We all
boo.
need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the word, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you that, you know we are that spiritual. We see you drowning with the tides on your soul. We love you.
Look, KJ, look. Look.
In
Look.
Jesus' name, them strong cold things staying with you. Oh my mama, let your brother fall down, the light of just silent. The blood on your hands when you don't say nothing. If you love me, then you gotta say something. Say something. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus.
KJ, hold on, buddy. Hold on to the. Hold on.
We need Jesus. We all need Jesus.
Hold on, buddy. You don't have to go under. Just hold it.
Jesus. We need Jesus.
KJ, come on. Hold on to it, buddy. Come on.
Okay, you ready? Are we ready? 1,